EnglishMania.
Alice and Nick are at the playground today. Let's have a look.
Hello kids. I'm Nick. I'm a boy.
Hello everyone. I'm Alice. I'm a girl. I'm 5 years old.
And I'm 7. I'm older than you.
It's okay. I'm still a small girl.
I like to play. I like to play with toy cars. Today I have 2 cars with me. One car is big, and another car is small. This car is yellow, and this car is green.
And I like to play with toys too. Can I play with your car, Nick?
Sure, Alice. You can take it. Which one do you like?
Thank you. I like the small green car.
You are welcome, Alice. What kind of toys do you like?
I like dolls. My favorite doll is Barbie. Next time I'll bring it with me.
Now it's time for you to do some activities with your teacher. Good luck.